Welcome to UVL. Introducing the UVC Timer, 4000 bactericidal ultraviolet lamp designed for use in water disinfection units, manufactured by One Herb. It is designed to operate in an aqueous environment in a protective quartz sheath at temperatures between 5 and 40 degrees Celsius. We produce it under the label G40. It is an ozone-free, low-pressure mercury ultraviolet lamp. Lamp length 843 mm, base diameter 90 mm, tube diameter 50 mm, base type 4P. Lamp power 40W, UV power 16W, lamp current 0.425A. All of our lamps are packaged in cardboard tubes with a soft seal inside for extra lamp security. The lamps are also warranted for 9,000 hours or 1 year from the date of sale. In case of premature failure or damage during transportation, we guarantee replacement of the lamp and delivery to your address